The YF-23 Black Widow II stands as one of the most remarkable aircraft ever built, representing the pinnacle of American stealth and aerospace engineering in the late Cold War era. Developed by Northrop and McDonnell Douglas, the YF-23 was designed as part of the U.S. Air Force's Advanced Tactical Fighter (ATF) program to create a next-generation stealth fighter capable of dominating the skies well into the 21st century. Its rival, the Lockheed YF-22, would eventually evolve into the F-22 Raptor, but the YF-23 remains an extraordinary example of innovative design and futuristic thinking that was far ahead of its time. The YF-23's design was sleek, elegant, and highly unconventional. It featured a diamond-shaped wing platform, long fuselage, and V-shaped all-moving tail surfaces that gave it a distinctive and mysterious appearance. These aerodynamic features contributed to exceptional stealth characteristics and reduced radar cross-section, allowing it to avoid detection by enemy radar systems. The aircraft's smooth surfaces, minimal control surface gaps, and innovative use of composite materials all played a vital role in enhancing its radar-absorbing capabilities. Its engines were deeply buried in the fuselage with flat, shielded exhaust nozzles to minimize infrared signatures, another key factor in stealth performance. Two prototypes were built, one powered by Pratt & Whitney YF-119 engines and the other by General Electric YF-120 variable cycle engines. The YF-23 achieved remarkable speed and efficiency, reportedly reaching speeds above Mach 2 and cruising supersonically without afterburners, a capability known as supercruise. It also had an impressive range and altitude performance, with a large internal weapons bay that maintained stealth while carrying air-to-air missiles. Pilots who tested the YF-23 praised its smooth handling, advanced flight control systems, and quiet operation compared to other fighters of its era. Despite its superior stealth and aerodynamic design, the YF-23 lost the ATF competition to the YF-22. The U.S. Air Force ultimately chose Lockheed's design due to its greater agility, more conventional layout, and perceived lower risk for mass production and maintenance. Nevertheless, the YF-23 was widely admired for its beauty and innovation, earning the nickname, the fighter that was too advanced for its time. Many aviation experts and enthusiasts continue to debate whether the YF-23 would have offered greater stealth and speed advantages over the F-22 if it had been selected. Today, the two YF-23 prototypes, nicknamed Spider and Gray Ghost, reside in museums as silent reminders of what could have been the most advanced stealth fighter ever built. Though it never entered production, the YF-23's design principles and technological innovations continue to influence modern aircraft development. It remains a symbol of engineering excellence, visionary design, and the unrelenting pursuit of air superiority that defines the legacy of American aviation.